Alrighty, do you know what time it is? I know what time it is. I know what time it is. Do you know what time it is? I know what time it is. What is the time where it is for us right now? For me, it is gold and silver time. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. That's the time. Gold and silver time. Traders, I'm giving away a free trading course. The foundations that goes into a good trader. Amazing chart reading strategies, funky dunky, awesome trading systems, mindset, you name it. It's in the trading course. Go get it. It's free. Link in description. Click, 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 click. Right, now, moving over to tutu. There you go. There's the tutu. Moving over to the gold and silver market, and just a bit of an update of what's going on right now across these boards, across the board, across what's going on with gold. Gold for me, guys, is oh my goodness, I see big moves coming in gold. I really do see big moves coming in gold, and it's just enormous, absolutely enormous. For me personally, guys, on an absolute long-term picture, by the way, when I'm looking at gold, I have at least a 2,800, around about a 2,800 target, and then that's a conservative target and a bit hot, and then my sort of second target is 3,000. I ultimately believe we're going to get to 3,000, and this target is based on a projection for me, so I believe we're going to get to 2,800. Now, before you start to do that, all right, before you start to with the little keyboard there, the one thing I must say is when I say, okay, we are likely to get to 2,800. My target ultimately is 3,000 on gold. That's my target. When I say that, I have no idea when that's going to happen. We could see a sonic boom over the next 12 months. Or we could see, it arrive in 2024. That's right, 4 years from now. It could be 2025. Like, we never know, right? It could be 2023 that we hit those targets. I don't know. But one thing I am very, very, very confident about, is that we are likely to be hitting a lot higher prices in gold. Once again, I have a target. If you're going to use a target, conservative target is 2,800, but the main target for me is 3,000. The reason why 3,000 is because it's a round number. All right, guys. So that's what I'm seeing through there when it comes to the gold long-term picture. Okay, guys. So this is an absolute long-term picture. Now let's go have a look at that little short-term. That's what's likely to happen over the next 5 years. I have a 3,000 target gold. There you go. But on the shorter term, let's have a look at what's going on here, because it's just really, really interesting to see what's going on. Now, looking at this, guys, we're still stuck in this downward channel, and we're still stuck at this area of resistance. The really key thing for the gold bugs, for you gold bugs out there that are hoping to see the upside tomorrow, or you're hoping to see another nice move like one of these legs ups. If you are hoping for that, what we need to see is it breaking above these levels through here. If indeed we can hold, see this little support level back here, and the support level, we can see that it came down. Look at it, tested as resistance. We need to see the market get back above this 1850 level. We need to see that. If we can get a nice little rally and a nice little close up like that, that's going to give me the confidence. Not only did we break above this level of support coming all the way through there, but then we had also this level of resistance coming all the way through there. See that through there? So when I'm looking at that, and when I'm looking at what this resistance level represents for me, is a major key level in the markets. We do potentially have a bit of a V bottom type of action going on. We have a strong move down and a strong move up. So this is a potential V bottom. But for you gold bugs out there that are waiting, when are we now likely to start that next move up? When are we now likely to start to break up to all-time new high or start to make a run for that? That's what we want to see. We want to see this thing break above that level, because if I zoom in just a little bit more, you can see, right? You can see that that is the area. This whole area through here is indeed a significant area. That's the reason why I rejected it there the first time. If we can get back above here, guys, that's going to be a complete game changer. And then I believe it's game on for the bulls. But we need to see this first. Once we see this, it's on like Donkey Kong. Right, it is on like Donkey Kong, but we need to see this first. We need to see a break above there. So wait for that. Now, we may not get that. We may just do, and then forget that pattern. Let's reassess and let's go from there. Okay? So we may not get that. Now, moving over now through to silver. And silver is, the silver is doing sort of the same thing, but holding up quite stronger. So what do we see through here? A very nice big move up, and then a very strong pullback. Very strong pullback through here. As you can see, very strong pullback. And the whole thing through here is, once again, we've been hovering around this resistance line. And you can see it came down. We came down and we actually bounced off this level of $22. And then we rallied up towards this resistance line, which was coming down from this point through here. Then we rallied back down to find support again at $22. And then we rallied back up. And now we're just going sideways. Are we about to see the turning point in silver? Is silver about to show us the turning point? The turning point in silver is if we start to see something like this, and we finally start to break up like that, that's going to give us the sign that we are now likely to start to head back up to $30 again when it comes to silver. Now, not straight away, guys. It may go up, but overall, when the market goes up, it's probably going to do something like this. Something like that. So not every single day, but that breakout is the key thing that I'm looking for. When I'm looking at that massive long-term weekly charts, I can see we've had this big move up and then a move down. So for me to say where is silver likely to go to, I just use a simple projection from a low to the high, and then the ultimate low, from there to there. And as you can see, that one-to-one projection is up there at those highs there. We do have we have a lot of resistance around that $36 mark. So we're probably, if we do break the 30, we're probably going to have a lot of resistance through there. But for me, guys, all-time new highs. That's what I see, all-time new highs. $50 silver. That's what I see. So that's what I'm seeing right now, guys. Overall, when it comes to gold and silver, we want to wait and we want to see what's going on here. We want to wait and see whether we do start to see a big move up and out of this thing here. Or whether we just continue back down again. So it's going to be really interesting to see and watching gold, guys. And as we watch gold and silver as the days go on, we want to keep reassessing. There's no certainties within these markets, but we can start to get a little bit more of a probability of what's likely to happen once we start to just apply simple analysis like this. And if the market doesn't play out the way that we thought it was going to, then we reassess, and then we go back from there. So I hope this helped you out today, guys. Gold and silver, to me, long term, are going to make some sonic boom moves. Sonic boom moves are coming when it comes to gold and silver. That's the next few years. When it comes to this week or tomorrow, I'm not too quite sure, but we need to wait to see. Okay, this could be a bit of a trigger point for all the buyers to come back in again. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. See, in this brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com, you're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training course for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now, or click on the very first thing in the description, because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go do that right now, and I'll see you on the next page.